pinibirta arjuitha pinibirta thanbanghi nilimonjirong pipi. Aprang si birtam ton penche pajirmi damde aprang birtam kumpi arjuponitha.
Give and take policy aputhak chekroi dun thek thepupen karbilo charlia song atum kache songpon. Socheng Cooperative Farming Society aputhak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council XEM ake hai mohen beaphan tangka chopang lim etpu social media along paklang pon aputhak puthot mohen bea henpen lamklar chipipon. Hormo hortar anam ke paso aputha kauja yukawa SNP atumpen kache songpon.
Birtam kumpi arju igdelapi puthot birtam tompen chepajirmi damsena.
Kedam tangarni Meghalaya long Assam pen Meghalaya aduya hoya puthak Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himonto Biswa Sharma pen Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma atum Chinki Chingbai padodet pen Karbi Anglong along kedo Prek jama hamphanga song Karbi Anglong aduya long le Meghalaya aphan masap tapi thek thepusi ase angtong chepa dodunlo Lason si pai ni phai trok arni dipuru Samson singingti mir biria thengno along Karbilo charlia song Jamson timong atum aropen kache song asai dengpon Pinpul ponme non barla por ahot arni kiso ok men dop anpin lasor ni kiso arum lutchoksi alang litum methang along le kacherai kom kenang sot pupen kache song asai dengpon Kedam tang pai ni phai ke thom arni Veskar Bianglong Meghalaya hoy Sabuda along Meghalaya Police atum nangka humri ahut rat atum thor pakpen khamkhe dunlu Laso puthak Karbianglong Autonomous Council pen Piniar ni anta kangsamri ke manghume me alamlu Lasi Karbianglong along le kacherai kom jiaphan Karbilo charle asong pen kiwang jilang arni ingtang rak pen jesong ponji pusi Karbilo charle asong mephu Jamson timung pen pherangke thengnu nang pachini dun
Student associations organizing these demonstrations to protest against the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya on their policy called give and take policy, where there's a reservation that the West Karbi Anglong half portion of land will be given to the Meghalaya state. So we, the Karbi Student Association, vehemently condemn the give and take policy, and we will not accept even an inch of land will be given to the Meghalaya. We will shed our blood, but we will not give an inch of land to Meghalaya government, to Meghalaya people, because as per the notifications of 1951, 13 April, the Karbi Anglong, the land of Karbi Anglong was appropriately and correctly demarcated, and we want that status quo to remain as it is. And if the government of Assam and if the government of Meghalaya try to meddle with this well-proper demarcated boundary, then we, the Karbi Student Association, will continuously protest against it, and we will fight until and unless our borders, our permanent border solution is established and instituted by the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya. And also today, the government of Meghalaya and the Chief Minister of Assam and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, they are having a talks, and we vehemently condemn those talks, because the talks that have been conducted is without the consensus of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, because it is explicitly they have stated that the Block 1 and Block 2, the land of Karbi Anglong, might be given to the Meghalaya government, and we, the Karbi Student Association, vehemently protest against it. And also we would like to condemn the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and also the CEM Chuliram Ronghang. In every meeting he used to say that not an inch of land of Karbi Anglong will be given to any other state, but today when such issues are cropping up, he remained as silent spectators. And so we appeal to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM, to raise his voice, to raise this concern, because we will not accept to be apart with our land, even in inch of land. So we appeal the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the leaders of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to raise their voice before any untoward incidents happens in the coming days. Thank you.
Pai ni phai player ni silim khoa long ke dam tang pai ni phai hiniar ni socheng dhenta cooperative farming society a hin pen 1997 98 aning kan pen silim khwa along sa tiki ponlo bangso puthak ake hai bronson terang VDC chairman ake hai Sam Ingleng khorsing terang lapen ari sang huatum ake hai Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council XEM ake hai Mohen Besi kado kavia tangka anta chopang lim laplopu ahok hepin pen social media along paklang ponlo lapen bangso adimalong kado kave bigha pharohini sose along ledo puta jongponlo sita lake ahok he pusi ake hai Mohen bepen lamklar kachipi pona tengke kado kave along le bigha troxy ke vet pusi klardak pen pherangke athengno paklang pon
Amtang 2 August 2021 arni akai Bronson Terang VDC chairman Sam Ingleng Khorsing Terang lapen alang li arisang huatum so chenghenta cooperative farming society aputhak along nili phan aron rea lam the nangki din pen press meet padoponlo labangso a news fast Karbi Anglong lapen Kaziranga live a channel along an chethek ponlong lo ladak nili ke thek long atengke nili phan jungjung rat chari amu anat nongnam nangapa juno jia phansi thekdam long lo athe socheng hanta cooperative farming society 1997 98 aningkan parku pahara longsi amhang pathek onlo jasemet nogan district aduya hoy Karbi Anglong along le kecherai komji asona sai ketiki aphan socheng hanta cooperative farming society mangponlo halabang so por hutsi silim khualong salpha kachekrong atum pen che dansi Karbi Anglong along le cherai kom unlo lapen silim khua ake hai Hemonto Ingti Sorkari Gamura Karlitang Lawrence Ingti lapen Longbiram Ingti alangli tum nang cepat duk du nangarja dum thip si sa katiki lapen so cheng thanta cooperative farming society chirung cherek ponsi
Hello, Mr. D. Pick up your phone. It's ringing.
along le along sai katiki ponlo sa tiki ponlo lasilabang so along le anam pen bule silim khuarat pen halabang so hut chedon pen le sakiti ki ke e pon kali lapen ladak Bronson Terang pen farming society along le 200 bighas so se pusi jong ponlo lasi neli klardak pen kaningje kangtung silim khwa cooperative farming society along le ke 70 bighas anwet memonong KAAC revenue special LSAB 96P1/97/42 66 that 16597 total land measuring 70 bighas dak nong 200 silim khwa NC Moja Dwar Salona lahenlo ladak klardak
pai ni phai trok ada por phai kep malompen pangcheng ponsi Samson Singh ingti Amir Birialong kate songa sai dengpon labang so sai ke deng nang ko kathelake non ke dobom BJP a sarkar hormu hortar anam ke pajum thek the penajok sodak pen pinrem pon athe non pirthe ke memedet aputhak hormu hortar jasemet arnivang ka chethor gas petrol lapen asona hormu sitami anam ki sopik penajok radatum kisung ka chetongna lapen ke labang so puthak kauja meipu biulet bepia henpen jalin ponsi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council arideng pinpur alopale dampen prime minister along ansitame pale ponthulo
nitum bini labang so adhana dodang kok abang ke adang nitum cipiduk nang kok lo ako kisung pen jogi mini pusin nitum thana ini lo dakani ke supe arbe ke jangi pupe nitum kang ni nang kok thamam thekela puhelo ke dam tang tan itum kaprek asong tum same kaprek political party tum same la bangso ahor muador ke so phutha ke dharna do bon bom lo protest bon bom lo stapin ni anta alang tum anu cheden de son si sarkar tum che thek pon long tapi sila bangso anu cheden de bangke lang tum ka chelem sitin kok ma mate lang tum pangwe krang ma mate la ka do ka we central property an ke mate India la government property an ke lang tum private bonai lab lo hala bangso ko som sin tum arjunji Asi private jong silang tum cibo naila pote la ni bang dor pasorat ke la ke ni tum rat tum ni tum nang ni tum sarkar ong tum nang reng dunun athe la ke private property kali la ke government purite government kopia rule ma kopia red ma la si bipo nang ji sami bang adim bang khai mate bang jagat long pelang dam lo pote India ke asektin tame GST penceng lo kado ka we ador ta bad bomb ajo wang ani wang si de la kado we bostu tame bad bomb sini li tum theglong la sila so ke bad bomb ma bang ke ni tum ke lon son bad bomb pote ditum Karbi Anglong mate north east ang kaya kidu kisung tribal tuman ke thiklip ip sini tumat hadam lasi ke do tuman ke nitum ke pangbar no dagji athenon ke 2 bosor pleng po ningkan hinin plek bol laso covid 19 lo lockdown chu tiki thai we chu phejo thai ave hajira ave laso ang bom penta kado we tangka poisa ave purate konat ben sini tum lana dor so hormu hotan tum chunam on po athenon ke osomar tum same gari ke thon ke ban school penceng lok mate guest tame ador ke so chunam e penceng lok theng si churi poma osomar phan lo si che than poma gas ke chunam mi phan panta non poisa ave la son ki sung si ka do we rat tum non phobam lo la si tum so lo song man ke demand lo prime minister phan tame tum pini la bangso memorandum lo pajir ponji DC Trupen Karbi Anglong DC Trupen la si la so long tame tum dadak tum ki tok bang la po hello la pen demand ke la po hello je ke dam non suli poma ador mate la bangso ador pa ba bang ka phichiro inangji chelon chit la pen rara tum chona mun chit ador sila no la so bang ke sulina po sin tum demand pon lo
Pinya berita ke lans kanton pon iglo domi thak me kardong